The following is a brief overview of Kivalliq Energy Corporation's first batch of results from its Phase 2 drill program at the Lac CInquante uranium deposit in Nunavut. This release was disseminated on September 7, 2010. Kivalliq is continuing Phase 2 of its 2010 drill program at Lac CInquante, Northern Canada's highest grade historic uranium deposit. The deposit is part of Kivalliq's core asset, the 225,000-acre Lac project. First, a little bit about the company. Kivalliq is the first company in Canada to sign a landmark partnership with the Inuit of Nunavut to explore for uranium on Inuit-owned lands in Nunavut. The company is led by management with proven business development and capital raising experience and a team of northern exploration specialists. The Lac project is located 220 kilometers southwest of Baker Lake, 350 kilometers west of Rankin Inlet, and is home to the historic Lac CInquante uranium deposit and 150 other uranium occurrences. Lumina Capital currently holds approximately 20% of Kivalliq. Since acquiring the Lac project in 2008, the company has spent approximately $6.7 million on the property, conducting systematic exploration, which has included ground and airborne geophysics, geological mapping and sampling, as well as 9,000 meters of drilling since 2009. The 2010 program is designed to infill known areas of mineralization with in excess of 10,000 meters of drilling. This is being done at a density sufficient for establishing a compliant mineral resource at Lac CInquante, the goal for Q1 of 2011. What follows is a breakdown of the results from the first 13 holes of Phase 2 of the program. The Lac CInquante main zone is a vein breccia type uranium deposit occurring within a near vertical alteration structural zone, over a strike length of 1 kilometer and extending from surface to a depth of 250 meters, reported to be open along strike and to depth. All Phase 2 holes were inclined to the northeast with an azimuth of 26 degrees, intersecting the Lac CInquante main zone between 40 and 175 meters depth. Phase 2 is focused on determining continuity of mineralization and geological controls at Lac CInquante through infield drilling on 25 to 50 meter centers. Let's go through the assay results for each of the new holes. Highlights include the following results with grades of up to 2.87% U3O8. This is an overview of the drill plan for the Lac CInquante drill hole plan map overlaying the ground VLF survey. This includes drill holes from 2009 and Phase 1 of 2010 highlighted in white, as well as the new drill holes highlighted in black. Let's go through the results. Drilling at Lac CInquante included drill hole LC15 measuring 2.87% U3O8 over 1.1 meters. Drill hole LC16 measuring 2.59% U3O8 over 0.08 meters. Drill hole LC18 measuring 1.6% U3O8 over 3.6 meters. Drill hole LC19 measuring 0.24% U3O8 over 1.9 meters. Please note, holes LC21 and LC23 did intersect significant uranium in quartz carbonate veining adjacent to the main zone, but their relationship to the deposit is not known at this time. Drill hole LC20 had multiple intersects measuring 0.24% U3O8 over 3.5 meters and 0.27% U3O8 over 3.5 meters. Drill hole LC21 also had multiple intersects measuring 0.47 U3O8 over 0.8 meters, 0.1% U3O8 over 1.1 meters, and 0.06% U3O8 over 1.7 meters. Drill hole LC22 measured 0.43% U3O8 over 1.8 meters. Drill hole LC23 measuring 0.75% U3O8 over 1.1 meters. Drill hole LC24 measuring 0.83% U3O8 over 2.6 meters. Drill hole LC27 measured 0.57% U3O8 over 0.3 meters. Outside of Lac CInquante, a second hole, LC14, was drilled 500 meters west of the deposit from the same setup as earlier reported hole LC13, which measured 0.21% U3O8 over 1.96 meters. Hole LC14 intersected Lac CInquante style host geology 25 meters down dip of hole LC13 and was weakly mineralized 0.1% U3O8 over 0.4 meters. As this hit the same geology, more drilling is warranted and will be carried out in this new step-out area. Holes LC17, LC21, LC23, and LC25 intersected the Lac CInquante altered tuff host unit with weak or no uranium mineralization. As we can see, the drilling program has been successful in demonstrating the continuity of mineralization through this infill strategy. The drill program continues throughout September, with further assay results expected in the coming months. For more information on these results or Kivalliq Energy Corporation, please contact Investor Relations. Kivalliq Energy Corporation is a member of the Discovery Group of companies.